What's good? Yeah, once again, it took me ages to drop another video for my YouTube. Aww. But who cares? Because today we're drawing something special. Hopefully I'm not gonna take as long as usual to get into it, so let's get straight to the point. There is this series everyone is currently enjoying, including myself. It's not really famous at the moment. Like, meh.
That boy hit him with the lightning. Oh, oh shit! Thunder clapping flat. Oh damn!
And that's the reason why, and for the love of YouTube money, I'm gonna give a little challenge to myself. A little challenge to myself today. So let's start. My boy, my girl. Vraiment que je change cette intro. My name is Adote, and today I will draw Kimetsu no Yaiba, aka Demon Slayer. Alright, let's start with a little warning. I'm slow as fuck. So, I'm a bit late in the series. I think currently we are like around episode 20, 21? I don't know. But I stopped watching at episode 19. Because let's say this episode takes a bit of time to digest. Like, it was great. I know you probably already saw 20,000 videos about it, and I'm like the last one. But bro, first, this is an art channel, and secondly, and let's not lose time. Okay, focus. This episode was great. If you're drawing as well, if you try to become an artist, I advise you to watch it frame by frame. It's a real art lesson. Every single picture, every single image is just Previous week, or the week even before, on my Instagram, I was drawing one character from Demon Slayer per day, and I decided to give a little challenge to myself. I'm gonna use those drawings to make an entire new one, and therefore today's subject will be So, here are the 5 drawings I'm gonna use today. As you saw, we're gonna talk about merging layers. Not really talk about it, I'm just gonna try to make something out of it. So yeah, let's start.
Bro, what the fuck?
Yeah, you're talking like that.
Bro, what the fuck? You're four of the best characters in the series. Where is
Chill, boy. Tanjiro and his are coming right now. Not gonna lie, in the first place, I really wanted to make the drawing related to episode 19. Create a piece really action-based, full of epicness, but let's just say for this time, it's just gonna be a fun exercise trying to play around with several drawings in the same one. Like the same sheet. Like, no, the sheet. Yeah. So let's start right now. Let's go. I'm just gonna import my 5 drawings on my project and not gonna pay that much attention to details, the look they have. I'm just gonna try to play around with them and try to find a good way for them to fit in the same illustration. So, just before getting into the last part, let me quickly tell you about the way I'm combining those drawings. To be honest, while I was drawing separately each of those 5 drawings on my Instagram, I already had in mind where I was going. That's why you see all the characters facing different direction. Because to help the whole piece to be more harmonized and coherent is probably a good option to go for a composition all about round shapes, building all around the main focus point of the drawing, which is here our friend Tanjiro. So all this just to say it's not random. You can just go like, oh, let me take this drawing and this one and this shit and pull all the shit together in the same shit. No, you you actually have to think before and project yourself. It's actually a good exercise, It's a good way to restrict yourself, your mind, and follow a plan. Because we all know when drawing, it's too easy to go with the flow and try to visualize. Even if the drawing evolves, it's still the same idea, and it should be good if you guys try this. So, enough talking. I think I'm gonna try a new editing way for the last part. Tell me if you guys like it. If not, same thing. But let me know either way. It's time for us to get into the final part of this video. So let's conclude. We are diving into this for the last time.
Tsutsui ても立ちは
Okay! So, did you like it? This time I can throw my Bakugo pen, can't explode because I lost it while I was shooting.
It's been a long day without you, my friend.
4, 3, 0. Yeah. I feel I didn't plug it too much, so yeah, follow me on my Instagram. That's where the magic is happening, at least more often compared to my YouTube. I hope you guys enjoyed the Demon Slayer magic. I hope everybody will keep enjoying the show, because honestly, it's really good. I have some episode to catch up with. Whatever, I see you around. I don't know when, I don't know where, probably on my Instagram first. Okay, stop. I don't care about likes, but actually leave me a little comments, it will be great. Next video will be on Sunday the I love my outro.